this and that toys. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. So today we're doing something fun in the house. I don't know what it is though.
You want to know what it is?
Yeah.
You're going to go on a little mini scavenger hunt.
I am.
You're going to follow the clues. And if you can find your way through them all without any help.
My earrings match.
Your earrings match?
Yeah, they have the same colors.
Yeah.
Except this is like an navy blue,
Yeah.
not black.
She's got her yin yangs in.
Yin yang! Yin yang!
Your yin yangs in today?
Yep.
Alright, so you're going to have to follow some clues
Okay.
that are hidden throughout the house and find the next one. All by yourself.
Do you have the first
I will give
clue?
you the first clue.
Okay.
And then if Adalia finds her way, she gets to pick one of these boxes out again today. Again, these are just random boxes that I had in the garage. And I dropped some different things inside. And the items inside might not match the size of the box because these are the only boxes I could find. But it'll be fun nonetheless, right?
Yeah.
Okay, first clue is near something old and snuggly.
What is old and snuggly? A blanket? Our blankets aren't that old though.
What else do we have in this house that might be old and snuggly?
Milo? Milo's gonna be snuggly.
Okay, so maybe look around Milo. Milo have a clue?
Milo has the clue! Milo has the clue! Hop, squeeze, snap. How about that? Do you know what I am?
Remember, you can help her out at home. Give her a like if you know before her.
Yeah.
Pop, squeeze, snap.
Hop, squeeze, and snap.
Hmm.
I feel like the poppet, but we don't have any poppets downstairs. They're all up in my room.
Okay, well, it doesn't have to be downstairs.
Doesn't?
It's just in the house. I just said in the house. We're going on a house hunt.
We're going upstairs? Let's go upstairs.
So you think it's a poppet?
Maybe.
All right, let's go see.
This is my new room.
Well, we'll save that for another day.
Yeah, I will show you guys some other day, but
Okay, so if you think it's poppets, where would they be?
they're in here. My poppets are in here. I don't see anything though. I don't see anything. What, did you bury it all the way at the bottom? Or something? I don't see anything. Is this it? Is it?
I don't know. Open it up and see.
Yes,
Is that
it
the
is.
next
I
clue?
think it is. Yes, you did bury it at the bottom. Put all my stuff back. That's a puppet. Okay. This tour will be for another day's video. Okay, so it says, I think this is mushy, squishy, and oh so gooey. Where could I be? You might have to dig a bit to find me. It's either that or that. Let me check in here. Okay, I don't really see anything so far. Because you might have to dig a bit. No, I don't think it's here. I see a bag. I see a bag. I see a plastic bag in here.
Stuck inside. Can't help but play with it before you put it back, huh?
Yeah. make me dig a bit. I thought it would actually be in there. Nope. You might be able to guess what's in there. It's also kind of gooey. They're kind of gooey. Okay. Try this next one. Okay. This one's folded up a lot. Okay, it says, great job. Now it is time to find something cold. I am frozen or just chilling out. Do I have any like cold fidgets? Or
It's either frozen or just chilling. Do you think you have anything frozen or chilling in here?
no, I don't think so. I don't have a freezer in my bedroom.
Most people don't.
Yeah.
All right, so maybe
My sister does. She has a mini freezer.
it's a fridge.
Mini fridge.
Yeah, she thinks she has a mini fridge in her room. But she's also 18,
Yeah, she's 18.
so she can have a mini fridge. You're 7. You don't need a mini fridge.
I don't think it's up here.
Okay, so maybe we need to go back down and explore some more?
Yeah, I can't think of anything.
Okay.
Anything that would be cold or just chilling out that's up here. Ugh. When we get down, I think the fridge or freezer would be the best options.
Alrighty, well let's go down and see.
Well, we're back downstairs and it's time to, I guess, look in the fridge.
Because you're looking for something that's either chilling or frozen, huh?
Or, yeah. Just chilling.
Anything look
We
good in there?
had looked in here earlier, but
Well, you didn't know you were looking for a clue.
yeah, I don't think it's in here.
Okay, so let's move on. And what do you want to try now? Checking the freezer now?
Yep. Freezer!
Oh boy, that's stuff too.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hopefully it's, what's this? Oh, that's the Tic Tac jellies that I got once. Where is it? How am I supposed to find it? It's so big. There's so much stuff in here. Guys, make sure you give me a like if you see it, because I seriously don't see anything.
I don't think they can see around you anyway.
Yeah.
It's broccoli.
Broccoli.
Pretty sure that's not it. You don't see a baggie?
Broccoli is in a bag though.
A baggie, like you found inside your slime?
What's this? There's no hint in here.
It's just an ice cube. Maybe that's not it. Maybe it's a different baggie.
Why would there be a lonely ice cube in the freezer?
That's for boo-boos, ouchies.
Ouch.
When you need a little ice cube placed on a part of you.
I don't see anything. Oh, there's our puppy.
He's so nosy.
Wait,
He's like,
I think he might have found something. I see something. Archie, you found the clue. You found the clue, puppy.
Archie helped you?
Can I get in here? Archie, help me find my clue. Good job, Archie. Good job.
So you found the
You
clue?
found my clue for me. Okay, here it is.
All right.
Open it up. Cool. Don't eat my clues, Archie. Whoa, this is long. One more to go to get a prize. This one might be harder, so use your eyes. Pins and needles are how I say hi. You can't hug me anymore, but I never say goodbye. I'm hanging around every day. This time you see me a clue. See me a clue. I display. This time you see me a clue I display.
Well, what does that sound like? I recognize that right away.
I don't.
Okay, so let's see. You gotta use your eyes. It says, pins and needles are how I say hi.
Pins and needles are how I say hi.
So what does that mean when we find pins and needles? What? Nana? Okay. So, how do you see her now that she's no longer here? Our Nana is in heaven, right? But she leaves us little clues in our old house that remind us of her. I don't sew. I'm not a sewer. But we find pins and needles from her. We fill a little drawer up. But how do you see her? Like you can look at her somewhere in our house. There she is, our beautiful Nana with our wonderful Papa. Does she have a clue for you?
Papa has a clue for me. Congrats, you found all the clues. What a great event. Now time for a prize. Decide on a box to see what's inside.
Time to get to your prize. You found all the clues in the house? A simple fun game that we like to play. Okay, which box you gonna decide on?
I'm gonna take this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you get it. Okay. I have to move the boxes because Adelia's not allowed to feel their weight. So I'm gonna move the one that was on top of it. Actually, I'll just set it right back up here.
Pretty light.
It's pretty light.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside this box.
Ooh.
What is it?
It's a baby Yoda puppet! OMG, this little one looks like an actual baby Yoda. I need to see my baby. OMG, he looks so amazing. It's so tiny though.
It's a baby Yoda puppet with some bright colors. Isn't he cute?
Yeah, you can actually always.
I wanted to win that one, but I lost the tic-tac-toe game we played the other day.
Yeah.
We have to think of another challenge that I have a chance of winning. But there's nothing left that, well, I guess there is some other things in there I'd want. Super cute. Well, that was an awesome prize.
You don't even like poppets. Why would you want to win this?
Because it's Yodi.
But you don't like poppets.
But I like Yodi.
Yeah.
So it's a Star Wars Mandalorian poppets, huh?
It actually pops pretty well.
It is pretty loud, I can hear it.
Oh, I love him.
Well, that's good news. I'm glad you like your prizes this week.
Yep. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember, this is another thing that you can ask your parents to do with you at home. So that's all for today's video. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, and peace! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.